Hey everyone! In this quick Excel tutorial, let's look at how to use the TEXTJOIN function. TEXTJOIN is a great way to combine values from multiple cells into one, using a delimiter like a space, comma, or dash. Type this formula in the cell equals TEXTJOIN. The space in quotes is the separator between values. The word true tells Excel to ignore any empty cells, and the rest are the cells we want to combine. Once you hit enter, Excel joins all the values into one cell, separated by spaces. If we type a slash instead of a space in the formula and then press enter, Excel will join the values with slashes in between. You can do this with any character you want: slashes, dashes, commas, or even custom text. Just replace the separator in quotes and Excel will format it exactly how you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other Excel tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips just like this. See you in the next video.